Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today output devices. Flow of presentation. Introduction. Type of output device. Introduction. In output device in electromechanical device that accept data from a computer and translate them in stable form of the user. आउटपुट डिवाइस हमारे क्या होते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल डिवाइस होते हैं जो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं डाटा को फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर एंड ट्रांसलेट करते हैं इसको एक स्टेबल फॉर्म में यूजर्स के लिए. आउटपुट डिवाइस जनरेट कंप्यूटर आउटपुट दैट कैन बी ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप्स. सॉफ्ट कॉपी आउटपुट, हार्ड कॉपी आउटपुट. सॉफ्ट कॉपी आउटपुट they are temporary in nature. Hard copy output they are permanent in nature and can be kept in paper file or can be logged later when the person is not using a computer. Type of output device: monitor, printers, plotters, projector, voice response system. Monitor are the most popular output device used today for producing soft copy output. A monitor is associated usually with the keyboard and together they form a video display terminal. Two basic type of monitor: cathode ray tube, CRT. The CRT monitor display image with color that are consistent and can be viewed with different angles. Liquid crystal display called LCD. The LCD monitor are thin and they use little space. They are light in weight, consume less energy. प्रिंटर. द प्रिंटर इज डिवाइस दैट प्रिंट टेक्स्ट, डॉक्यूमेंट एंड इमेज ऑन पेपर. प्रिंटर हमारा क्या करता है? ये एक डिवाइस है जो क्या करता है? प्रिंट करता है हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट को इमेज की फॉर्म में पेपर पर. ठीक है. इट इज़ अ पैरेलल आउटपुट डिवाइस. प्रिंटर्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इन टू ग्रुप: इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर एंड नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर. दे आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रिंटर्स. डॉट मैट्रिक्स printer are character printer that print one character at a time. The form character and all kind of images and pattern of dots. Inject printer are character printer that form character and all kind of image by sparing small drop of ink on a paper. Laser printer. The laser printer use a beam of laser for the purpose of printing and it is consist of revolving cylinders that is made up of photoconducting material. Plotter are in ideal output device for architect, engineer and other who need to routinely generate high precision hard copy graphic output of widely varying size. There are two type of plotter: drum plotter, flatbed plotter. Drum plotter is the paper on which the design is to made in placed over a drum that can rotate in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction to produce vertical motions. Flatbed plotter. A flatbed plotter plots design or graph on a sheet of paper separate and fixed over a rectangle flatbed table. Projector. Screen image projector is an output device used to project information from a computer on a large screen. Additionally, a full figure multimedia presentation with audio, video, image and animations can be prepared and made by using this facility. Link monitors. Screen image projector provide a temporary soft copy output. Voice response system. Just a speech recognition system allow a user to talk to computer. A voice response system enable a computer to talk to a user. Voice response system are of two type: voice reproduction system. A voice reproduction system produce audio output by selecting in appropriate audio output from a set of pre-recorded audio response. Speech. A speech synthesization convert text information into spoken sentences to produce speech. These devices combine basic sound unit called. Thank you so much for watching this video.